Hey, how's it going, guys? I've got an exciting one for you because in today's video, I'm going to be revealing some new ways that you can make money on your phone as a beginner without any special skills. So go on ahead and grab your smartphone, keep your internet connection on, and stick with me as I share this list of money-making apps with you. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. Your financial freedom is our ultimate goal. So if this is something that you want to achieve this year, then come on, join our community by hitting the like, the subscribe, and notification bell below because this is exactly what we talk about day in and day out on this channel. If you're feeling extra nice today, then you can also share this video with your friends and family so you can all grow and earn at the same time. And with that said, let's go make some money. The first app that I wanted to share with you is a huge app that's been in business since 1998 with over 12 million members worldwide. It's called Rakuten, and if you're not familiar with it, it's actually a cashback app that pays you in rebates each time you shop online. It's 100% free to use, is available on both iOS and Android, and whether you're purchasing something online, making restaurant or hotel reservations, booking a flight, then you can definitely use this app to save or make money, whichever way you see it. So I think that it's definitely a great way to collect money. So how Rakuten works is by partnering up with merchants who agree to pay a commission when you make a purchase through the Rakuten app or website. And once the purchase is verified by the store, Rakuten earns its commission and gives part of it to you in the form of cashback or rebates. One of the things that I like best about Rakuten is that as long as you course the purchase through their site or app, the cashback is automatic. There is no need for you to take pictures of receipts and keep them on file as proof of purchase, as some other similar platforms require. It's super convenient and you will get paid every 3 months via check or PayPal, plus earn a cash bonus when you join and shop. On the Rakuten website, it says that they've paid out over $1 billion in customer rebates since they started. So if you make purchases online and don't have Rakuten on your phone yet, I say it may be about time that you did. If you're in between jobs or find yourself with a lot of downtime, then you should definitely consider downloading this app, and it's called Clickworker. It's essentially a marketplace for freelance workers from anywhere in the world, and they do have available tasks for writers, designers, teachers, editors, researchers, translators, you name it. As long as you can work independently, you have an internet connection, then this could be an ideal way for you to start making money without needing to commit 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So on Clickworker, the tasks that are available may vary per freelancer or click workers, as they're called on the app, and these tasks are based on a variety of things, including qualification assessments, previous work assessments, education, language abilities, and interests. So depending on your total profile and qualifications, you may be offered some projects or may be excluded from others. Newbies without any special skills, trainings, or qualifications are still welcome to join, and it's a great way to just try out different tasks, monetize your free time, all while being productive and getting paid. There are often thousands of positions available for every different task, so there's a good chance that you won't run out as long as you check the site or app every so often. Another really fun app that you need to download stat is called thredup. It's the world's largest online marketplace for secondhand and new women's and children's clothing and accessories. So it's a huge platform with a massive following and is for sure another great way that you can make money online. It's actually been around since 2009 and it has distribution centers all over the US. Because of this, they do take their business very seriously and they have professional buyers who carefully evaluate each item that the company receives to determine its quality and thredup's ability to resell it. And another fun thing that you can do is hunt for treasure in your closet. Anything that's still of good quality, something that you think people would still be willing to pay for, those are the things that you want to look for. The beauty of thredup is that the company has made it very easy for you to sell your used clothes with very little effort and possibly no money on your part. Compared to selling your pre-loved clothing on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, you should expect a lower payout in thredup. Well, that's because they're a company and they do need to earn from the sale too. But if you value your time and energy, then the lower payout for your items on thredup may be worth it. Their huge following and free marketing definitely makes it a more hassle-free alternative. As for the payment, you can transfer the cash to PayPal. You can also opt to get a Visa prepaid card or use your balance as store credit for your own purchases. Speaking of pre-loved clothes, the last app that I have for you is another pre-loved clothing site, and it's called swap.com. So just like thredup, it's essentially an online consignment store where you can sell or buy secondhand or brand new clothing for women, kids, and men. Just as it would on thredup, using this service will allow you to avoid all of the hassles associated with selling your stuff on sites like Facebook, Craigslist, Poshmark, etc. because after packing your items and shipping them off, Swap does all of the work, including photography, pricing, marketing, all of which will save you a great deal of time. The best part is that you're guaranteed to sell your items via their sure sell guarantee. I do hope that you have a ton of fun earning from these apps. Let me know in the comments section below which ones are your favorite and which ones you'll be trying out first. I'm so excited to learn what you think about today's list. And if you haven't already, then please do click on the like, the share, and the subscribe buttons just before you start downloading the apps. Good luck making money, guys. I hope you have fun doing it, and don't worry, I'll be back with even more ideas for you in just a bit. Meanwhile, I'll leave links to other videos that I think you'd like in the description box or comment section below, so do check those out. As always, I want you to stay safe, and I'll see you again on the next one.